Do you know many people are having trouble with their Pioneer FH-X700BT car radio not turning on? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check wiring. Check all wiring and connections, making sure the car battery provides power and all connectors to the car radio are securely attached. Step 2. Verify ground. Verify the radio's ground connection. Ensure the black wire is properly connected to a metal part of the car's chassis. Step 3. Inspect fuses. Inspect the car's fuse box for any blown fuses related to the radio or accessories. Replace them if necessary. Step 4. Check amplifier. Check the external amplifier and its fuse. Ensure the amplifier is properly connected and functioning. Step 5. Inspect wires. Examine all wires connected to the car radio for damage. Replace pinched, cut, or frayed wires to prevent shorts or open circuits. Step 6. Test power. Test the radio with an alternate power source if possible to determine if the issue is with the radio or the car's electrical system. Follow these steps, and your Pioneer FH-X700BT car radio should turn on without any issues. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pioneer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.